Slime review, CinnaCrew slimes, Mochi strawberry
Hi friends, today we are going to review this slime from CinnaCrew Slimes. It is called Mochi Strawberry Cream, and the base is a thick and glossy, and then it has this clear topper, and it also originally came with 2 strawberry clay pieces, but I do not have those. Okay, so this is scented strawberry pound cake, and it came with this really adorable bunny holding a strawberry charm, very cute, and these really cute strawberry and heart emote. Oh yeah, this is really nice. I'd probably call this a middle of the road thick and glossy. It's not the thickest, but it's not the loosest. It's right in the middle. Really, really nice. Let's add the clear to it. I'm not sure if the clear is scented. I don't think so. I don't smell anything. And this one I also activated, but still nice and stretchy. Really pretty too. It's got some iridescent glitters in there. Yeah, this is really nice. I like it a lot. It's not the best I've ever had, but it is very, very nice. And if you got this slime, you'd be happy with it. I'm going to rate this one 92 out of 100. It is really nice. It's got great pops, great scent, good color.